sneak this into my room before my mom finds out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn, and today's a little different because we're in my kitchen. I got this huge box from Smooshy Mushy, and inside it has some really cool things. There's so many cute things in here, like this baby bottle. This is adorable, and this super cute pack. I love this so much. The red panda is so adorable. Here we have some super cute cupping cakes and the besties, of course. These are called snackies. These are munchies. They're all so cute, but my absolute favorite is this unicorn shake. This looks so pretty. As you can see, it has a horn and everything on top of it is sparkling. It's so cute. As you can see, it says donut sprinkles shake, and the inside you can see the pet, and it kind of looks like a penguin or a husky. It looks more like a husky to me. I'm so excited to open this. So here we have where they hold the keychains, and this is super cute because it looks like the unicorn shake with the unicorn horn and all the ears. And I'm super excited to open the bestie. Okay, so, oh, look at how cute this is. Oh, this is so adorable. It's like a Freakshake. It's in a mason jar and the super cute donut on top. It has the ears and the horn, and the face is just so cute. Then last but definitely not least, we have this super cute husky with the donut on it. On the unicorn horn, and it's just so cute. Look at the back. I really like that dollop of like frosting right there. And the tail, that's so cute. We're gonna open all of these, but before we do, I'm gonna show you guys how I make a unicorn shake because I love unicorn shakes so much. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Smooshy Mushy inspired unicorn shake with my unicorn mix. So the first thing we're gonna need is a blender. And here I have it. So this is the unicorn shake. I got this from Walmart. I love this stuff, it's so good. You're gonna only use half of this because it makes 2 unicorn frappuccinos. So the next things you're gonna need is some ice and some milk. Also, a very fabulous cup. Because it's not a unicorn frap without a unicorn cup. First thing you wanna do is get your ice into the cup, then pour your milk in. And you're also gonna need to put in your unicorn frap, of course. So remember, only put half. And of course, when all of that is in, you wanna blend it up. Whoa, that scared me. So now our unicorn frap is done, but we're not done yet. So we are now gonna decorate our cup and make a unicorn freak shake. I have some purple frosting and some rainbow sprinkles, and I'm gonna spread the frosting around the cup and then put on the sprinkles. So I poured my unicorn frap in my cup, and now we're gonna get ready to decorate. There's really no wrong or right way to decorate a unicorn freak shake. You can do it whatever way you want. Thing we have here is a rainbow candy straw. Of course, you can't drink a unicorn shake with a regular straw. What do you think it is? So here we have the finished product. It looks crazy. That's why it's called a unicorn freak shake. Wait to try it. I'm totally gonna have a sugar rush after. All these squishies are so cute. I can't wait to open them all, but let's dig in this bad boy first. It's so yummy. Thank you so much, Smooshy Mushy, for sending me that huge package back there. I can't believe how good this is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what's your favorite sweet treat. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. see you guys later. Bye. Love you. Now I gotta sneak this into my room before my mom finds out. See you later.